Hey guys, welcome back to Sparks N Wreckreation. First off, what the hell is Sparks N Wreckreation? And two, who the hell are you? I'm a professional race car driver out of upstate New York. Basically, it goes like this. Cleetus says the word enduro, I show up. I should have been there last time, but he announced it without enough notice. This time we have all the notice. So we're going to get our sprint car wings, get our dirt track set up, and we are going to go take down the master giraffe himself, Cleetus McFarland, at the Freedom Factory, October 11th, 2025. So this video is me going and picking up my 2003 Nissan Altima. Well, that's a good start. Oh yeah, we got in. It's got a broken door handle right off the bat. I didn't pay much for it. Brakes sound a little rough. Sounds healthy though. So the next step is we gotta take this thing 400 miles to the next racetrack that we're racing at tonight. All right, so our first mod for the car is we start here. We don't know who we are. Oh. Man, this is some good eights right here. If you don't know, these are our colors. A little purple here. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we can see it. It's a weird looking 8, but
88. I don't know if we need the white. This color is so. The car's kind of silver anyway. So that's who we are. If you've never seen any of our videos, you'll know that me and my ragtag gang of buddies are kind of professional race car drivers. We're coming for Cleetus in October.
professional's a loose term.
We actually win races. Watch our videos, you'll see that we do actually win some races here or there. We do actually know how to turn street cars into winning race cars. Man, there's a lot of bubbles in this paint. I don't know what's going on here, but... So basically, we bought this car because we do not like 4-cylinder CVT Altimas. And I also didn't want to pay $4,000 for an SCR, which is what Cleetus did, which is dumb. Because you can buy a wolf in sheep's clothing, which is this vehicle. For the first run of Altimas of this generation, you get this light-bodied, like, older Altima with the Maxima SE 3.5 VQ35 and an automatic, which, if you know anything about short track racing, manual is not always the best. We can basically lock this thing in the second gear, get the right tire, and it'll be perfect for a 3/8 mile. And unlike the CVT and other junk I see in other people racing, we can make sure that it stays right in second gear with all the RPM. Anyways, first step here is that we gotta get this car to meet my other race car 400 miles from here. I have a buddy who's running my truck with a 2-car trailer to Brookfield Speedway, which is a quarter mile dirt track, which my car should perform very well there. Never been there. He's meeting us 400 miles away with my truck and trailer in an enduro car. So if you watch this video, when you're done, click on the next one, because you'll probably see me win a dirt race at that quarter mile there, and then my buddy win an enduro. So hopefully we can afford to pay for this car by the end of the night with what we won. So that's the plan. We gotta get on the road here. I should probably check some fluids and shit. And yeah, this is Altima 600, guys.
I appreciate the confidence.
Yeah, we're gonna win. And what I didn't tell you guys is we actually have a sprint car wing that's going on the top of this thing. So let's go. All right, so we checked some fluids. Everything seems good. This is a one-owner car with 80,000 miles on it. Insane. I actually also found the wing in the trunk, so that's cool. You can mount that back up. I mean, it's gonna look like nothing compared to a sprint car wing, but I'm gonna take it down the road. We're gonna get on the road. We have 400 miles to drive this thing. See how it goes. The brakes sound like complete shit. Yeah, that sounds terrible. But you're gonna see in the outside view here in a second. I think it's just from sitting, because the actual pedal feels fine. There's not even really a pulse in the pedal. Oh my god, these cars rip. For what people don't know is like these are actually pretty fucking fast cars. Yeah, buddy. We're coming for that money. I don't even care if we beat Cleet. I think it's 3,000 to win, so that's just a bonus. Time to set this thing up. Anyways, I meet back up with Alice. She's with the van. We did bring a dolly just in case it breaks down, and I need to make it to that race tonight. So if for some reason this thing does break down, we have a way to get to the track without it causing an issue, because I want to win some money tonight.